Well, welcome back to Houston Life. It is hard to believe the new year is almost here. And if one of your goals for 2026 is to be more confident, a bright, healthy smile is a great way to put your best foot forward. Joining us now with more on how cutting-edge dental technology can help make that happen, periodontist and the founder of the Texas Dental Implant Center, Dr. Michelle Azar, along with his patient, Mohanad Saleh. Welcome to you both. 2026 right around the corner. Mohanad, let's see that smile. It is nice and bright.
Yeah.
And I understand, though, you had dental treatment overseas and everything looked great initially, but then you started having some pretty major issues. What was happening in your mouth?
Actually, in 2015, I just do a lot of, let's say, cosmetics, Hollywood Smile. And after, like, let's say 5 years, I'm starting getting a lot of problems, missing teeth, broken, and when I came here to Houston, start do search, and I find Dr. Azar, and I just called to make consultation. And when I did the consultation, he told me, you have to do like a full mouth implant. This is what my plan is.
Okay, and these are some of your before photos we're seeing on the screen right now. What viewers might not be able to see, you are dealing with a cracked bridge, broken crowns,
Yes.
missing teeth. I mean, this is problematic for many, many reasons, Dr. Azar. I mean, there's never a good time for your tooth to break.
Yeah. So Mohanad had gone into a large treatment before. It involved all his teeth and some crowns were breaking, but the significant part was that the back teeth broke, and then that puts a lot of pressure on the front teeth. So yes, his front teeth looked nice and aligned to a certain extent, but function was not there.
That was a problem. And Mohanad, I mean, what kinds of issues were you having in addition to like the broken teeth? This is actually your mouth. This is your digital smile, so we can see just how the back teeth were missing. I can imagine chewing food must have been difficult.
Yeah, it's not easy actually to eat. It's not easy to smile. You know, it's like you feel your life is totally like damaged actually, because like when I'm like speak with the people, I can't smile. I cannot even open my mouth, and
it was getting worse and worse.
Yeah, every day.
Dr. Azar, is this something that you see frequently, where people sometimes go overseas or they have a treatment done somewhere, and initially things seem to be okay, but then over time the issues start happening?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people who would choose to go overseas because the claim is that they're saving on the cost.
Saving money.
But yeah, you can be saving on especially like crowns or veneers. Yeah, it can be helpful to a certain extent, but you're missing on the maintenance visits, the visits that's able to sustain the results and detect problem early on, not after a tooth is broken.
You've talked a lot about bone loss too being an issue for many people, and the bone is the foundation for our teeth, right?
Yeah. A lot of times, especially for people who are going for 1 or 2 trips overseas and they want to get a lot of work done, there's a lot of steps that has to be combined together for this to happen in just 2 trips. And oftentimes we see errors that are often overlooked. So I would say if you have a decision to go overseas or do treatment where you have a local dentist and be under careful monitoring, I would definitely choose the local one. Because like anything, medicine, it's all about maintenance, the aftercare, and you miss a lot of that by doing the trip.
Well, that makes total sense. I mean, if anything goes wrong or if you have questions, it is nice to be able to drive down the street to see, you know, your dentist versus going overseas. These, Mohanad, are your before and after photos, and we can see on the right side here, I mean, now your teeth go all the way back. Describe to us the process that you went through and how your smile functions for you today.
Oh, actually today my life is totally different. My life is totally changed. I can smile, I can eat very well, I can sleep very good, no tension, no stress, you know. So
one less thing to worry about.
What?
One less thing to worry about. Your smile just works,
actually.
Right? You can focus on life.
Actually, I'm very happy when the first time I'm start eating apple. This is from long time I'm not eating apple. Just when I saw the mark on it, I said, wow. This is what I'm looking for.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And Dr. Azar, I mean, you've had so many patients who have appeared here on Houston Life who maybe thought they had no hope. And now we have folks like Mohanad able to eat an apple.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
I think it's a lot of people don't know what we're capable of, and there's a lot of new technologies that if you had a consultation, like let's say 5 years ago, nowadays, if you were told, no, you don't have enough bone, now there's a lot of different techniques we can get around it. It all starts with a good consultation and a very personable approach to each patient.
And the OneArch procedure, which is cutting edge technology, our viewers have probably seen you on the show talking about your visits, teaching dentists around the world how to do exactly this.
Yeah.
Fully digital in-house lab, so patients are able to see what their smile will look like when it is all said and done. So it's always great to see you, Dr. Michelle Azar. Mohanad Saleh, it's nice to meet you. Congrats on your new smile.
Thank you so much.
It looks great. Nothing more to worry about from here on out. Well, in the meantime, the Texas Dental Implant Center does have a special offer for Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation after a short pre-qualification call. That consultation includes a one-on-one chat with Dr. Azar, 3D scan and x-rays. That is all a $1,000 value. If you'd like to schedule your appointment, you can call 346-1ARCH. That is 346-663-2724. You can also go online, bestdentalimplantshouston.com. And you can find them on Instagram, Texas Implant Center, to see more patient transformations. And don't go away. Houston Life will be right back.